Think lip syncing is tough? Not anymore. I got you. Today, I'm sharing 3 amazing tools to lip sync unlimited. Totally free. From the best temp mail sites to voiceovers and lip sync websites, I'll cover it all. To create a lip sync video, we need 3 things: your avatar image, a voiceover, and a temporary Gmail to sign up on each platform without facing any restrictions. This is the image we'll use for all 3 platforms to generate the same avatar. Now for the voiceover, open Google and type Love Voice. Click on the first site that appears and scroll down. You'll find a box where you can type the text that you want your avatar to speak. Choose any voice speaker you like and then click the Generate button. You'll get the voiceover instantly without needing to sign up. Love Voice allows you to generate voiceovers up to 3,000 characters completely free. Now that we have the image and voiceover ready, let's go to the first tool, Hedra AI. Open Google and type Hedra AI. Click on the first website link. On the top right corner, click on Sign Up. Now, Hedra AI doesn't accept regular temporary emails, so we need a trick to sign up. Open Google again and type Smail Pro. On the Smail Pro website, you'll see a random email address. Click on the full access icon to get a functional temporary Gmail account. Copy this Gmail address and return to the Hedra sign up page. Fill in your name, paste the Gmail, create a password, and click on Create an account. Now, Hedra AI will send a confirmation email to the temporary Gmail. Go back to Smail Pro and check the inbox for an email from Hedra AI. You'll receive a 6-digit confirmation code. Copy this code, return to the Hedra site, paste it in the verification field and click Confirm Verification Code. And finally, Create Account. Done! You've successfully created your Hedra AI account. But recently, Hedra AI is restricting new users from generating lip sync videos directly. Don't worry, I've got a simple fix. Just download a VPN or use a browser with a built-in VPN. If you're on mobile, Opera browser with a VPN works well. I'm on PC, so I'll install a Chrome VPN extension. Go to Google and search for Free VPN Chrome extension and install it from the first result. Once installed, connect the VPN to a location in the United Kingdom or the United States. I've connected to the UK. Now go back to the Hedra AI page and reload it. From the dashboard, click on AI Audio, then upload your avatar image. After that, click on the red icon. That's it. Your video will start generating. In just a few seconds, your lip sync video will be ready. Let's move to the second platform, Dubdub AI. Again, open Smail Pro and copy a temporary Gmail address. Visit Dubdub AI and go to the sign up page. Enter the temp Gmail and create a password. Then click on Get OTP. Sometimes Dubdub may say the email is already used. In that case, return to Smail Pro, delete that Gmail and click on Full Access again to create a new one. Copy this new Gmail, paste it on the Dubdub sign-up form and click Get OTP again. Go back to Smail Pro and check the inbox for a 4-digit confirmation code from Dubdub. Copy that code and paste it into the verification box on Dubdub, then click Sign Up. You've now created your Dubdub AI account. Log in using the email and password you set earlier. You'll now see a welcome screen with a few options. Follow the same choices I selected to get full tool access. Once you're in the main dashboard, choose an AI avatar. Then click Upload Face Photo and select the same avatar image we used before. In the right corner, click on the Upload button to upload the voiceover we generated from Love Voice. After uploading both the image and audio, click Generate Talking Avatar. It will take a short while to process. Dubdub AI gives you 10 credits for free. That's enough to generate a long video. You can create up to 3 minutes in one go. After processing, your video will be ready to preview and download. Here's what the Dubdub result looks like.
Hey lip sync lovers! Don't forget to subscribe to Raman TechTalks for more awesome content.
Now let's try our third and latest tool, Hanuan Video Generator. Start by clicking the link I've added in the description. It will take you directly to the Hanuan site. The whole site is in Chinese. Now click the blue text link to continue. A pop-up will appear for sign up. Enter a temporary Gmail from Smail Pro. Then click on the Chinese OTP button. You'll get another pop-up. Click on the blue button again. Now check your temp Gmail inbox. You will receive a sign-up email with a code. Copy the OTP and paste it into the sign-up box. Once done, you've successfully created a Hunyuan account. Click the blue button again to land on the video generation dashboard. You can also paste the text and choose a voice model. But I suggest uploading audio directly because the built-in voices sound very Chinese when speaking English. On the left-hand side, click on the second button. Two upload boxes will appear. In the first one, upload your voiceover. In the second box, upload your avatar image. Here's an important note. Hunyuan only supports WAV audio files. Our Love Voice audio is in MP3 format. So, open Google and search for MP3 to WAV converter. Click on the first website, upload your MP3 audio and convert it. Download the converted WAV file. Now upload your WAV, voiceover and avatar image on Hanuan. Click the blue button to start generating the video. It may take some time, but once complete, you'll get your final result. Now that all three videos are ready, let's take a quick comparison. First, here's the video generated using Hedra AI.
Hey Lipsync lovers! Don't forget to subscribe to Raman TechTalks for more awesome content.
Now check out the result from Dubdub AI.
Hey Lipsync lovers! Don't forget to subscribe to Raman TechTalks for more awesome content.
Finally, here's what Hanuan produced.
Hey Lipsync lovers! Don't forget to subscribe to Raman TechTalks for more awesome content.
Which one did you like best? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Raman TechTalks for more tutorials on powerful free AI tools.